Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if Windows 11 is not saving your screenshots automatically in the pictures folder. So to fix this, first head over to the search menu and search for snipping tool. Now select the first result that appears. Now in here you will need to click on this three dot icon here and click on settings. Now in the snipping tool settings window, you will need to enable this automatically save original screenshots. Now simply enable this toggle. You can also change where Windows saves screenshots. So by default it saves all of your screenshots in this screenshot folder, but you can change it from here. Once you have done this, simply try capturing any screenshot using the print screen option or the Windows plus Shift plus S. Once you have done this, simply open the file explorer. Now head to the pictures tab here and open this screenshots folder. You should see all the screenshots right here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.